follow through with every idea that you have for your business and for your life. No idea is a bad idea. It's just an idea that needs a little more attention and a little more TLC to become a gem and become something that is more useful for you to use for your audience, for yourself, and just for your overall passion and purpose that you're fulfilling. Another thing about coming up with every idea is that you want to make everything tangible as quickly as possible. It is a skill set to come up with ideas, and you want to write everything down, you want to organize it, and you want to see if one idea that may not be so alluring itself, it may be something that just needs to be connected to another idea that you already have come up with as well. And this just could be a process of you puzzling together quote unquote bad ideas that now is becoming one giant idea that is a great vision for you to work on and implement towards your passion or towards just helping someone in your audience, in your community that can benefit the most from it. And don't ever turn it off. Don't ever allow anyone to say to you at all, you should probably leave this to the professionals. You should probably let someone else help you out with this. It's cool to have a think tank for people to bounce ideas off of, friends, family, whatever. But never, ever stop coming up with ideas. It is the quickest way, once again, as I've said in other videos, to limit yourself, put yourself in a box, and to put yourself in a loop of mediocrity. See it through, write it down, connect it with something else that does work for you, and watch the sparks fly as you start to put things into motion. What you want to do today is you want to do just that. Write down your ideas, look at one or two of them, and ask yourself specifically towards those, how do I improve it? How do I make this work for me? How do I make this something of substance that is useful for me, especially specific to my passion, specific to fulfilling my purpose through my passion, and specific to serving my community that follows me, that I guide, that I mentor, that I coach, or that I sell products and services to. You want to do that today. And also what you want to do is hit that like button. If you did find value in this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Like I said, we do videos like this every day. We're heating up more and more. We're more comfortable in front of the camera, as you can see, and we want you to be more comfortable with us helping you along your journey. And keep in mind, and don't forget, your passion is God's vision. Let's talk to you in the next.